Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami desk.
Desk!
What you want to do first is fold your paper in half one way. Then fold the top and bottom edges to align with the middle horizontal crease. Fold the paper in half vertically, leaving a crease, and then unfold it. Then fold the left and right edges to align with the middle vertical crease. Then fold the top and bottom edges to align with the middle horizontal crease, and then unfold them 90 degrees to get two stand upright flaps. Open and squash both the left and right corners of these two flaps. Now what you want to do is lift these sides up and then round off the rectangular parts and then round off the edges. Have your own origami desk. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.